Guys, don't go to the Adelaide Center because it's part of the movie Devil. I told you that, guys. If you think it's funny, it's not funny because you can get stuck on elevator and die. That's the reason I thought about Comcast Center. That Comcast Center is not that building about what we are talking about. Comcast Center is another building, another skyscraper in Philadelphia, who has 58 floors, even is longer than the Adelaide Center that that building is not the main building in the movie Devil. It's the Adelaide Center in Canada. I don't know where Adelaide is in Australia city, but that building is in Canada. And it has that elevator. And you can get stuck on an elevator and die. Serious. If you go on that elevator, you can die. So don't go. Go take stairs. Okay, bye.